Tips and tricks for breaststroke swimming. Greetings athletes, today we're going to talk about some tips and tricks you can use to improve breaststroke swimming. We're going to focus on 6 basic elements: in the water, arm action, kicking, timing, breathing, and turning. So let's start. First, in the water. Tip number 1, make sure that your body position is with your head facing forward, in line with your body. 2, try maintaining your shoulders, hips, and legs as horizontal as possible, but try to slope your body slightly to allow a leg kick to stay beneath the water. 3, avoid dropping your hips down in the water because the leg kick uses your core and abdomen muscles. 4, your leg should be behind you rather than below you. 5, always look downwards as you glide to avoid strain. 6, keep your neck and shoulders as relaxed as possible to avoid strain. Moving on to arm action. First, your hands should be pitched down and out from the glide position. 2, keep your elbows high as you scull your hands out and around. 3, make sure that your hands sweep back into the body as though they were to meet at the upper chest. 4, avoid sweeping your arms too wide because much of the propulsion comes from the legs and not the arms. 5, although your hands can recover under or over the water, make sure your elbows should remain below the surface. 6, you can then stretch your arms forward with your hands close together to reset the arm action. Kicking tips. 1, in breaststroke, most of the propulsion comes from the leg kick. 2, always keep your knees just a little over hip width apart, facing down, slightly out behind the hip line. 3, make sure that you keep your feet relaxed rather than loose. You turn your feet out as they sweep out and backwards in a circular motion. 4, your legs should finish together, long and in a streamlined position with the feet in-toed. 5, the legs are recovered to bring the heels towards the seat with the soles of the feet facing outwards. Concentrate on bringing your feet to your bum rather than your knees to your chest. Timing. First, the timing of your arm action and leg action should be accurate. Second, to make sure that you're propelled through the water, try to time your arm action and leg action. Third, the arms will be propulsive while the legs recover, and the legs will be propulsive while the hands recover. Breathing. 1, lift your shoulder to bring your face out of the water to breathe. 2, let your head rise naturally with the shoulders, so your chin is resting just above the water. 3, avoid lifting your head rather than your shoulders to avoid back pain and resistance due to lowered hips. 4, during the glide, explosive exhalations covers. 5, sweep your arms in as you exhale through your mouth before letting your shoulders drop. Turning. First, your hands should touch the wall simultaneously below, at, or above the water surface. Second, as your knees tuck, hips pike, and feet plant on the wall, rotate your body on its side. 3, as you kick off the wall, move your higher hand over your head to spear and push through the water. 4, after extending your legs, make sure that you stay streamlined and parallel to the water with your chin on your chest. 5, as you turn, perform 1 long propulsive arm action with your hands staying close to the body line while finishing at your thighs. 6, bring your arms back to the front of your head and powerfully kick to continue the momentum while keeping your hands close under the body. 7, start your regular arm action with your head breaking the surface as you lift your head up. This is it, folks. Make sure that you go through them thoroughly. Share with us your thoughts in the comments section down below. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.